Really good.
It was really good.
Teamwork.
Teamwork is the dream work. Teamwork is the dream work right there, folks. So
Teamwork makes the dream work.
that's the phrase. That's the phrase. I wasn't hitting it.
I got you.
Thank you. I think I needed that. I need some help there. All right, lean in with me.
Hey, I'm new on the set, so on count of three.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. Cheers to spices.
Let's do this.
Today I am here with Shantanu, my boyfriend, and we are going to be cooking some chicken, green beans, and potatoes for meal prepping. And why do you like to meal prep so much?
I love meal prepping because it just makes my life a whole lot easy. Like, we're always busy with work, workouts, so it's just easy to like have something ready for you when you are so tired after a full day of work, and just, you know, maintain your caloric deficit or surplus, whatever you want to do.
Fancy terms there, babe.
I am really into fitness, babe, so yeah, you're gonna be hearing a lot of these fancy terms.
That you definitely are, which is always very encouraging to me as well. And that is so true. When we're working during the week, we need something that's in the fridge that we can grab. So stick with us, because this meal prepping recipe is gonna be so good.
Oh yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So what do we do first?
We'll cut them in wedges, put them on the tray, spray some oil, and then pour our nice spice blend on the top of it.
Gotta have the spice.
Yes.
So how do we start cutting these into wedges? Do we need to half them first?
Yes, we'll half them first.
Okay.
Make sure we
are
keeping our fingers safe, not cutting ourselves. That's really important.
Don't need to lose any digits today, folks. How would your mom cook potatoes?
Oh, many different ways, because that's the only thing I used to eat. So she would like make potatoes like a curry, or you know, just fry them sometimes, or bake them, and you know, fill them with some kind of filling, and make a number of versions of potatoes for me so that I can eat.
So you're like the potato connoisseur. You know, because you've had so many varieties.
I used to like eat a lot of potatoes, but yeah.
Your mom is actually the potato connoisseur.
Yeah.
Wandana, you are the potato connoisseur.
Yes. Shout out to my mom.
So, we're gonna spray this with some olive oil, because you don't want your potatoes to stick, okay? And then we're going to, you want to set that down there.
There you
Thank
go.
you. All right, then we're gonna scrape these guys in there. Some pro cutting skills there. Okay, so since we have just drizzled our olive oil on it, we're gonna sprinkle in our weeknight spice blend, and we're just gonna evenly disperse it.
On the count of three.
Oh, 3, 2, 1. Cheers to spices.
Let's do this.
Life's too short to not cheers.
Exactly, and my girlfriend doesn't drink, so I don't have the other option but to just take random things and do cheers with her.
That's actually a really good point. You're improvising.
Yeah.
So to get started, we're gonna spray this. Do you want to spray our sheet pan with some olive oil?
Do this.
Paint it on. Look at that. So nice.
Work of art, right here.
Does it make you feel like you're in art school? And then, do you want to take the honors of painting on our shawarma sauce?
Absolutely.
Picasso time, people. So what we're gonna do is we're going to paint on this shawarma seasoning, so that each chicken gets equal amounts of love of shawarma seasoning. And it has that flavor.
Pop song.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Does it smell good?
Oh yeah.
That's nice. Very
I'm
nice.
sure yours can also smell.
I know. Imagine.
You just have to cook it.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how spicy is this to you in comparison to your spice tolerance?
On the scale of 1 to 10, maybe 3. Yeah.
3? That's it?
Yep.
Wow.
I'm used to,
Your
you know, a lot of heat and spices in my food, so.
Okay, so pad those dry so that they don't have any moisture on top of them.
Tell me one thing, why am I painting these off and why I cannot just pour it in the tray?
Because there's a beautiful art to painting them on and seeing how they're equally covered. If we went and like dumped this all over them, then some might not have the same amount of love as the others, you know? And look at how much fun you're having.
All right, I'll take that. Comment below how you like to paint your chicken. What kind of tools do you use to paint your chicken? And do you really paint your chicken? Do you really take care of your chicken before you cook it? There's some spots that I do need to cover before you put this.
That's the perks of painting.
Alrighty, this looks great.
Ready to put it in the oven?
Yes, let's do this.
So now,
Alrighty.
we're gonna put these in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, Shantanu, what are we gonna do next?
Next, we are going to be cooking your favorite, green beans. Ta-da!
Yay!
We're gonna spread them on the tray. We're going to drizzle some olive oil and season it with some black pepper.
Exactly. So we'll spray this first.
I'll show you.
I know, I'm scared. That's how he cuts things. Wait, you cut things with scissors in the kitchen. Oh, okay.
But now you can apply this technique to any other thing that you want to cut short, right? So what are the typical things that you cut besides potatoes?
Carrots.
Carrots.
Grapes.
Grapes?
Brussels sprouts. Very interesting.
Yeah.
So now you can bring a whole new meaning to the scissors in your kitchen.
Exactly.
Tips from Shantanu today.
You gotta
Look at that.
use everything at your disposal. Yeah. Olive oil.
Okay.
And then I season it with black pepper.
You do.
Okay, perfect.
Just grind it. Grind it real good. Do you ever find yourself doing that?
Oh yeah, I do all sorts of silly things in the kitchen.
Like what?
Dancing, singing, talking to myself.
And we're gonna let these cook for 12 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so let's go ahead and take the potatoes out.
I'll do it then.
Thank you. 6 minutes when that's done. Okay.
I think we can do like
A little
quick
taste test?
Yeah.
It's too tempting, right? To
Yeah.
avoid. He's cutting the potatoes with scissors. I have never seen this before, babe. Cheers to potatoes. Oh my God.
And then again.
Yeah. That is really good. The spices on here just give it just enough flavor that it's not overwhelming to the actual potato, but gives it a little kick.
All right.
I'll handle this side. We'll divide and conquer.
Oh yeah.
How's that sound? You can change things up just by changing your seasonings, right?
Easy peasy.
Next time we're gonna do Indian curry seasoning and kick these potatoes up a notch.
We have to. Or we may add, what do you call it?
Mayonnaise.
No, not mayonnaise.
That's the southerner in me. I was like, can we add mayonnaise? Let's put that in there.
We can do something with mayonnaise. I was about to say that we can not only just cook the Indian food, but also couple it with some kind of southern dish like deviled eggs.
Oh.
And use mayonnaise to make our...
Yeah!
the mix. Yeah.
Yes, because you have to use mayonnaise in deviled eggs. So, does that mean we're gonna have a showdown?
Ooh.
Like a cook-off? Is that what you're
That sounds
suggesting?
really interesting. Yeah, I think we may. Yeah.
Okay, so that's something to look forward to. Coming down the pipeline, a
Yes.
cook-off. Indian Southern cuisine.
And if you have more ideas, comment in the video and tell us more what else that we can, have a showdowns about. Yeah.
I love that idea. That sounds like a good plan, baby. Let's do it. What a solid high five. We both looked at the elbow and really made a connection there. I like that.
Yeah.
Chicken time!
Look at that.
Look at all those juices.
Ooh.
That looks really good. You did a great job painting
Yeah.
that on there.
Look at that.
See?
That's art.
The
right
art of painting on your chicken. We're gonna put our chicken into our containers as well so that we have these tasty little guys to eat throughout the week. Man, we've been working up a sweat. We've cooked a lot today. Look at how beautiful that looks. You know, when you pull that out of your fridge, it just makes you want to eat it. What do you think?
Yeah, it just makes you feel so accomplished. It makes you feel that you are achieving so much more because you have already done the planning for the week.
Yes. Planning is a big part of having successful and ambitious lives. What time is it? It's taste test time. We've filled all of our containers for our meal prepping, and we've also made a plate to try now. So, what time is it?
It's time to taste.
Time for a taste test! Okay, so what are we gonna start with first? The green beans?
Yeah.
Boom. Ooh. So juicy.
Delish. It was really good.
They're not dry at all. They are so juicy all the way through. It was like a flavor explosion in my mouth. How would you describe it?
It's just fresh. You know, it's
That's
tasty. It's something I can eat, you know, every single day. All the juices are just oozing through the chicken. Look at that. That's beauty.
cheers to chicken.
This is so on point.
That is really good. It almost just melts in my mouth.
It does, yeah. It's really good.
It was really good.
Teamwork.
Teamwork is the dream work. Teamwork is the dream work right there, folks. So
Teamwork makes the dream work.
that's the phrase. That's the phrase. I
got
wasn't
you, I got
hitting
you.
it.
I got you.
Thank you. I think I needed that. I needed some help there. So we're gonna be making some more videos. So be sure to come back and subscribe below so that you get to hang out with us more and cook more recipes. And while you're down there, get a list of ingredients so you can make this recipe too.
I can't stop eating.
I know, you're just like going to town over there. That's how good it is. That's why you guys gotta go make it. So comment below, tell us what you think, and we will see you guys next week. Bye, y'all.
Bye.